6 well-known celebrities have bravely taken on the task of learning Welsh. Here is Reiki Iola's journey. Reiki frequently heard Welsh being spoken in the church, and this has spurred her on to learn.
I lived down the road from Reverend Bob Morgan, who was the local vicar. And so you could go to their house and just listen to the language being spoken. And I think I probably just used to stare at them in amazement. And I felt there was a whole world that I didn't know. And I was probably a bit sad about that, actually. I wanted a bit of that. It was lovely and glamorous and romantic. Dwi'n daimlo gyffrous.
Her mentor for the journey is good friend and fellow actress Eiri Thomas.
Fi'n mynd yn eitha cyffroes i fe fyna nawr. A fi 'di mynd yn fwy Cardiff am ryw reswm. Achos fi'n mynd nôl i Canton. I loves it.
Dwi'n caru Eiri Thomas. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to spending time with her.
Their journey starts in Thompson's Park, opposite Neuadd Llanover.
Hello!
Where they both met as teenagers during their time with the National Youth Theatre.
Oh, bore da.
Reiki and Eiri have had a COVID test and formed a bubble for their journey.
Da iawn, dwi'n daimlo nervous iawn.
Yes, Scrob.
Dyffrous iawn.
Each day, Reiki will be set a task to help her on her language journey. They leave Cardiff and head to Nant Garedig in West Wales for the first.
Dyn ni'n rhannu rhywbeth yn dyn ni, ti a fi.
O, y penblwydd.
Da iawn, da iawn. Mae'r dasg gyntaf yn ymwneud efo ein cyfeillgarwch ni.
Aha!
A y penblwyddi, dyn ni ddim wedi rhannu ers blynydde.
At the shed, Reiki will need to follow Lisa Fern's instructions in Welsh to decorate a birthday cake.
A un siocled.
And plastering skills are vital.
So nice. It's gonna be fine. Right. Dwi'n barod addurnol.
Right. Ydy hwn yn mynd i weithio i fi nawr?
Tymy bach mwy. More.
A big squeeze.
Mwy.
Don't be afraid.
Na ti. Ie, ti'n gweld?
Right. Dwi'n dysgu.
And some last-minute finishing touches.
Dwedais di, mwy.
Mwy yw mwy.
Na, fi wedi sy'n mwy.
Excellent. Not a soggy bottom in sight.
Ddoer yn hyfryd.
O'n i'n joio yn fawr iawn.
Ti a fi fan hyn, ydych? Teddy Bears bach.
O,
Ffrindiau.
Ffrindiau.
Penblwydd hapus.
O, penblwydd hapus i ti.
Next stop is Llangadog. Back in the 12th century, this is where the physicians of Myddfai were pioneers of herbal medicine. At the Myddfai Trading Company, Reiki will learn how to make soap.
O, lew.
O, lew. God.
O, lew.
In true physician style, into the cauldron with all the ingredients, the colouring, and the oil.
Mae sweet god yn y sebon.
Bubbles.
So ni'n defnyddio spray hyn a mae'n cael gwared yn o fel la.
And the bubbles disappear.
O, mae'n gwyntio mor neis.
The magic of telly, the soap is ready to wrap.
So felly, os ydych chi'n cael 2 darn o papur...
Dau,
ie. A cael eich sebon wedyn.
Aha.
A rhoi yn y canol. A wedyn chi'n mynd i lapio fe fel byddech chi'n drapio anreg.
O, iesgob. O, mynd dda.
Understanding the instructions in Welsh is easy, but the wrapping is a tricky business.
Rhoi e yn y bocs. Byddwn ni'n checo am quality control.
Oh gosh, quality control's not good.
Llanast llwyr.
Yeah.
Mae'n drwg ti fi.
Wel, chi wedyn. Wi'n mynd am banner o de.
Wedi blino.
Wel, ni'n mynd rhywle nawr I ymlacio.
Hyfryd iawn.
A serene cottage in the country with the company of sheep and alpacas is their retreat for the evening. After a good night's sleep, it's breakfast time for the sheep and alpacas.
Mynd I fwydo yw'r alpacas.
Fi'n mynd I fwydo'r defed.
Chi'n gorgeous. Beth am chi nawr? Chi'n nervous?
Wyt ti'n deall Cymraeg? Wyt ti'n deall Cymraeg? Oh, yeah.
Not much of a conversation, I'm afraid, Reiki. Today's journey takes them to one of Reiki's favourite activities with her family, climbing.
Canolfan Summit.
Bingo.
Ti'n hapus?
Oh, yeah, hapus iawn. Hapus iawn!
Fi ddim.
Paid edrych lawr.
Paid edrych lawr.
Paid edrych
ddim edrych
lawr.
lawr.
As her confidence with the language increases, will she be able to reach the summit?
Y pryd ych chi'n barod, ewch, mynd. Defnyddio'r coesau.
Oh, ie.
Da iawn.
Wei! Mae eisiau fi meddwl. Ie. Datrys, gweithio mas.
Dydych chi da iawn.
Oh, this
Mae
is
un
great.
mas i'r ochr hefyd.
Yeah! Gotcha! Da iawn,
Da iawn.
Mrs. Hey!
What an achievement.
Oedd hwnna'n anodd.
Anodd iawn.
Yn dod lawr.
Wei!
Ti'n reit?
Dwi ddim... Diolch.
Mae'n iawn.
Dwi ddim gwneud team games.
Ie.
Ond caru.
Ie.
Dringo.
Ti'n bach yn ofnus?
Is Reiki now able to use her Welsh to help Eiri overcome her fear of heights?
Braith. Ti'n iawn?
Edrych lawr.
OK.
Paid meddwl amdano. Paid meddwl amdano fe. Just gwneud e.
Di bron hanner ffordd.
Wow. O'n i'n meddwl bod fi'n o'r ffordd. Oh, go. OK. Yeah.
Ti eisiau dod lawr?
Yeah, please.
Ie, please. Nid triangle gyda coesau.
Oh, mummy!
Yay!
OK.
Dyna chi.
Ie, fi'n deall nawr.
Dyna chi.
Well done, Eiri. On the last day, they head to the Q studios in Cardiff Bay.
Now, what do we say there? Gluiau.
Gliwiau.
Gluiau, yeah.
Clues.
This is possibly the toughest challenge. Reiki will read a story and entertain the preschool audience of Q on S4C.
Da iawn.
The studio is ready, but will Reiki have the confidence to perform under pressure?
Iawn ti, Ricky? Ti'n barod?
Dwi'n barod.
Der y studio te?
Reiki will need to muster all her confidence for this final task.
Bws cerdded Q. Roedd Q yn cysgu'n sownd yn ei gwely pan glywodd sŵn gweiddi y tu allan i'r ffenest. Roedd Q wedi cysgu'n hwyr ac roedd y bws cerdded wedi cyrraedd I fynd â hi. Doedd neb yn gallu dyfalu yn Oh, ho, ho!
Gywir. Gywir. So if it's right, look at it like a tick. Gywir. It's correct. Gywir.
Gywir.
Yeah?
Doedd neb yn... Hold on, I need to keep breathing now. I think one of those things where you go, you can't do this. I can do this. I can do this.
Go on, Rakes! Ti'n gallu neud e?
We can do this! I can climb this wall! Doedd neb yn gallu dyfalu'n gywir. Yna gwelodd Q siap cilch ar wal yr ysgol. Cloc gweiddodd. Ond na, nid cloc oedd yr ateb. Q gweiddodd plwmp.
Yay! Da iawn, cariad.
Diolch.
Arbennig.
Really are.
Oh. Yay! Oh. Arbennig. Arbennig. Waw, oedd hwnna'n really anodd. Oedd hwnna mor anodd.
Oh,
Ti'n mynd briliant.
Eisiau fi meddwl.
Yeah.
Menydd.
Yeah. Yeah.
Reiki has succeeded in reaching the summit of her iaith ar daith journey. The icing on the cake is a short trip down memory lane.
So dyma ni, Reiki. Diwedd y daith. Ond nôl, lle ddechreuodd y daith i ti, efo'r Gymraeg.
O'n i'n siarad Saesneg.
Ond ti'n gallu siarad Cymraeg nawr?
Yes!
Llongychiadau.
Tipyn bach.
Ti'n ein briliant. Mae gen i rhywbeth fan hyn i ti. Anreg bach.
Diolch.
O iaith ar daith.
Fawr.
Rhywbeth i ti gadw.
O, hyfryd iawn!
Dyma ni. Porffor. Dy hoff liw.
Diolch.
Oce, ola iaith ar daith. A fan hyn, mae englyn. Felly, Osian Rhys Jones sydd wedi sgrifennu hwn.
Osian Rhys Jones.
Okay. A mae'r englyn yma wedi sgrifennu yn arbennig i ti.
O!
I ti.
O, waw!
Ie. Ti eisiau darllen yna?
Oherwydd bod mwy i'r geiriau dy dasg, yw dysgu'r holl sgriptiau mwyn perfformioi
Ie, da iawn.
dramau yn dyaith newydd dithau.
Yeah. In your new language.
Waw!
Yeah.
Osian Rhys Jones.
Hyfryd nhw.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Calon fyna, Caerdydd.
Dwi'n yn crio. Diolch yn fawr iaith ar y daith.
Ie.
Ti.
Diolch i ti. Ti'n siarad Cymraeg, ti'n siarad Cymraeg.